What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to be looking at Meguiar's Gold Class Leather Rich Cleaner, Conditioner, everything all in one. We're going to be looking at it, we're going to be testing it, we're also going to be showing how to use it, and also the results, of course, the before and after. First thing that I have here is a microfiber towel, and it's clean. It's new, straight out the pack. You can buy one of these out the store. You can get them from Walmart, Home Depot, pretty much any big box store, Lowe's, it doesn't matter, Dollar General, AutoZone, Advance, pretty much any store out there that has some type of microfiber towel. You don't need anything special to do this, because what we're gonna do, we're gonna open this up. We'll spray a little bit. If I can get this thing open. And it almost has a blue, almost kind of like a blue tint to it, almost. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna wipe it on. One thing that I noticed already, this product does not smell like leather by any means. It almost smells like something fresh linen, but it doesn't smell like leather. I don't have time. Do it just like that. Massage it in. These seats have not been conditioned in a very, very long time. In a while. As you can see, it's turning out pretty darn good. So I don't know if you could see like a contrast here. I'm going to spray this on as a now. This is after the product was applied. As you can see, looks pretty good. And this is a seat that was not done. This is before, and this is after. So it doesn't leave a greasy film on there. You can find this product in most stores, auto parts stores, you name it. Meguiar's Rich Leather Cleaner and Conditioner. So be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. New notifications for videos just like this.